We get so many diners that pass us on Interstate 80, and as soon as they come in, I think that they're really amazed about what goes on in here. Hi, my name is Connor, and I'm the proprietor at the Powerhouse Eatery in Whitehaven, Pennsylvania. In our back dining room, there's Babcock and Wilcox boilers. You dine under the actual boiler tubes. Throughout the restaurant here in the front dining room, you'll see a bunch of valve doors. Those valve doors is where they would throw the coal into those ovens. One of the first Cornell rolling ironwork doors is actually in front of our kitchen and is an awesome piece for kids to come in. When I let them actually roll down the door, their minds are a little bit blown, which is awesome. And I think, one of the best parts about the Powerhouse is people who can take their grandchildren here might remember or have worked among some of the equipment that is here. And that's like really the most special moment when they're walking around. I'll follow them and start listening to stories that I can gather, information that I can get to kind of learn more about the history and kind of this American industrial complex that is kind of on display here. At the Powerhouse, we predominantly focus on American classics. That's steaks, chops, seafood, and then we kind of also bring in that touch of our Italian background. We have a few items on our menu that have been here since 1989 and have not changed and have not come off the menu. The pork a la Powerhouse being one of those main items. Colossal crab meat, pork loin, grilled, but our menu and our staple tradition is simple quality products served right. The bar here at the Powerhouse is something special. It actually sits under an original water tank. So your entire bar experience is under the original power equipment. Our tap system, you'll always see 4 local brews on tap. Right now we're strongly featuring Benny Brewing, who's a great friend of ours, makes some great beers. All of our drinks that are seasonal, we can also make as mocktails. All of our greens, mint, all of that stuff, we actually grow on our patio, pick it, come in here and use it. We make our own kombucha, that's through Counterpart Kombucha. So we try to make everyone feel welcome at our bar. We've had a real influx in daytime dining customers. The D&L bike trail has recently expanded along the Lehigh River here, just 100, 200 yards in front of the restaurant. So we've been getting a lot of bikers enjoying our outdoor space. And I think when you get to dine among something that's so unique as the smokestack and be outdoors at the same time, I think that's super special. My dad and his brother had the idea to turn something that looked like you would never even want to touch it from a business and investment standpoint, and then to successfully have seen it through to now being what it is today, some 35 years later, is an awesome feat. And I think it kind of just lays the groundwork for our other locations and future locations. This idea of connecting people to the past, connecting people to their neighborhood, and connecting people to northeastern Pennsylvania.